Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a SEO social media marketing agency theme which is named as Mr. SEO. We will see what are the benefits we will get if we pick this theme as for our SEO agency. Let me show you what are the demos these guys provide you. If you hover over to the official side of this particular theme, there will be a lot of demo which these people are providing us. Okay, there is like home menu, agency home, startup home, and a lot of other menus as well. Today we are going to import this particular, let it load, this particular demo on our website. Don't you think this particular demo looks really amazing? Right, it has everything like planning, strategy, optimization, a proper chart what SEO exactly will do for your website, and a good looking slider testimonial, and what are your teammates and other things, right? A very beautiful looking footer as well. So let's start with the video. I personally suggest you, if you are thinking to buy this particular regular license, there is no problem. But if you are just going to try and test it out that this theme is worth the shot for your particular website and for your brand or not, I would suggest you don't invest $70 right ahead. Come to our website and just get it for $8. Try and test it out. If you don't like it, you can always get a money back guarantee, like 7 days money back guarantee. Just click on download now and the process will start automatically on the left hand side. As you can see, I will just cancel it because I have already downloaded it. So once the file has been downloaded completely, our next step is to install that particular file on our WordPress website. Okay, so let's come back to our WordPress website. As you can see, I have a very fresh website installed on my server. Like, so we are going to install that particular theme on this website. Cool. So if you don't know how to log into your dashboard, don't worry, I will teach you how you can log in. You just have to type wp admin just after a URL /wp admin, and you will be redirected to your dashboard. Okay, if you're logging in for the first time, it will ask you for the username and the password which you have entered while you were installing the WordPress. Cool. So once you are logged in, you will be able to see something similar like this interface. This is called the dashboard or the backend of your website. So once you're logged in, you will see something like this. Okay, on the left hand side you will see multiple things like settings, tools, users, plugin, appearance, and today we are going to deal with the appearance section. Under the appearance hood you will find themes. As you can see, I have already installed this theme, but I will just tell you how you can install it manually. Click on add new, and as you can see here, by default WordPress provide you n numbers of free themes. So basically there are a lot of difference between free theme and paid theme. Free theme does not consist of a lot of functionality, and the conversion rate in free themes are pretty low. And also the mobile responsiveness on the free themes are not that much good as compared to premium theme. And I generally prefer, if you have a little bit of budget to invest on your brand in the initial stage, always go for a good theme. Okay, so let me tell you how you can upload your theme. Click on upload, select the file, and where was my file? Here is my file, and click on install. So installation totally depend upon your internet speed. So I will just don't wait for it. I have already installed it. I will just come back here and activate. Once it is activated, you will see something like this. So basically, what is this? This is a recommendation pop-up, or I can say that our theme is suggesting us to install some kind of recommended plugins. So what is a recommended plugin? Let me tell you, a theme consists of multiple functionalities, and if you want those functionalities to work properly, then you need to have these recommended plugins inside your theme. Okay, let me give you an example. If a theme consists of a slider and your theme is missing a slider plugin, then that particular slider will not work properly because there is no slider plugin within the backend of your theme. Now you get it. So whenever a theme suggests you or gives you notification or pop-up something like that you need to install some kind of recommended plugins, never ignore those messages. Okay, so let's install these plugin. Click on activate installed plugin. I have already installed it, I just need to activate it. I personally never suggest you to activate from here. Click on bulk action and activate, because this take a lot of time. I will rather just go to plugins, installed plugins, select all, and just bulk action activate. Here it doesn't take that much of time. It will be like couple of seconds. Just wait for it. So as you can see, our all plugins has been activated successfully, which is a really great thing. So let's see how our website looks right now. Let's come to our website. It's pretty simple, without footer, header, menu, and even a blog post, right? So let's see, let me close that thing. Okay, how we can import our demo on this website. There must be a section where you can import everything. So now we are going to import everything on our website. So on the left hand side you will see related option, and under that you will see import. Click on import, and now here we are going to import the full website. So import type all, and import attachment yes, and let's import the whole website. Click on import and OK. Now this is the moment when you go and grab your coffee, because import will take couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. So let it complete, then I will come back. Okay. So as you can see, demo content has been installed properly on our website, and it's time to see how our website looks right now. Okay, I will just click on my blog and I will try to visit our website. Let's see. I am pretty sure it must be amazing, and you can see our website is looking really good, right? If you can see, there is a custom slider which change automatically with some good animation. If you can see, these are really good. And on the bottom section you will see some feature section, and if you scroll down you will see some strategies which are really amazing, and testimonial section, team section, and a really good looking footer as well. And the best part about this theme is this is also mobile responsive, right? This is the best part, because nowadays if your website is not mobile responsive, the CTR will increase and the bounce rate will also increase. So it has to be mobile responsive. So as you saw, this website has been installed properly, and this is also a very perfect website if you're starting for like a SEO agency or something like that. I would suggest you to go for this particular theme. This will be really beneficial for your business. And at the end, I just want to say that if you're really thinking to buy this theme, you can always get a regular license key for $70. And if you still think that this theme is not worth the money for you, or if you're thinking that will this theme will work fine for your company or not, I will suggest you to come to our website and get it for $8, right? And even though if you spend $8 and you still think that this theme is not worth it for you, you can always get a 7 days money back guarantee. That is really good, isn't that? So if you are running a WordPress agency company, and or you are a WordPress freelancer, you can always get our membership plan. So with the help of membership plan, you will be able to get a lot of benefits. Let me show you. If you pick our lifetime plan, which costs you around $359, with the help of this plan, you will be able to download 5,400 items per year, which is insane, right? Because this website consists of more than 6,000 WordPress plugin and themes, right? And for the initial stage, if you don't have that much money to invest, I would suggest you to go for a monthly plan which will cost you around $29. And with the help of this plan, you will be able to download 300 items per month, which is kind of okay for the initial start. So with that being said, I just want to wrap this video up. If you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.